how to follow someone on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to follow someone on Facebook Lite. First then just go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines here in the top corner and not here, just you need to find like this one here. Click on it, click on your on his profile, and then here you will find follow. Just click on it, and that's it, as you see. And if you want to unfollow him, just click on it again, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.